Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. Okay, and this is a 3D modeling and this is a 2D drafting is okay. This is a perfect and correct. Okay, and guys, this is a 2D drafting is you can see here, and this body is a design is created here, and how to this body is designed and how to this flange is also designed here easily and clearly. And this is a flange and this is a rectangular flange is discussed here, and all is a 2D drafting is available here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay guys, okay, this is a 3D modeling is okay. This project is a very nice looking here, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect and all is looking perfect and correct. And use isometric view. Okay, and let's start here. One by one is discussed here. Okay, at first select a part is a select here and use a okay. At first drawing a this is a basic is a this, and drawing a this is a front plane, and this radius is 265 millimeter and all dimension in millimeter, and this is a 162 millimeter, and this is a equal, and this fillet is 10 millimeter, and this thickness is 60 millimeter. Okay, and this circle is drawing here 296, and this circle is also cut here to 216 millimeter. Okay, a two flange rectangular flange, and this flange is one by one is created here. Okay, at first select a plane is a front plane, and at first drawing a line. At first line is drawing here, and this line is a this, and curve is drawing here. Okay, and this to this, and both point is a tangent. Okay, this is already used here, and this length and this length is a equal. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, smart dimension is used here, and this length is 162 millimeter, and this is a already is 162 because this is a equal, and this radius is a 2. Okay, this radius is 265 is okay, this is a 265 is correct. Okay, this is a looking okay, this is a perfect drawing here, and exit. Okay, and one radius is a this is a circle is drawing here, and this diameter is 296. Okay, and at first select a plane, this is drawing here, and then use a front plane is not used here, and top plane is also not. This is a right plane is correct, and normal, and draw a circle is this point is draw here. Okay, and drawing a this 296 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and exit and use a swept boss base, and swept boss base is a sketch profile, and this is a use the first profile and select a path is this. Okay, this is a perfect and all is correct, but some okay, this is a plain white is correct, and also this document property and going to image quality is very high because all Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and again a circle is drawing here, and this is a 216 millimeter is 216 millimeter is correct, and exit and use a swept cut. Swept cut is apply here, and this cut is very use. And then first is a profile is select here and use a path. Path is a this is a correct, and use a this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this flange is one by one is apply here. At first drawing a circular flange, and this is a use a circular flange, and this is a 420 millimeter, and this 420, and this 320 and 320, and this distance is 45 millimeter, and this chamfer is a radius is sketch fillet is a this fillet is 36. Okay, isometric view, and this is a okay, and this face is select here and sketch and normal, and use a center rectangle. Center rectangle is this. Okay, and this dimension is this 420, and also this is a 420. Okay, and this fillet is used here. Sketch fillet is a 36, and the four corner is this. Okay, and this is a 436 is correct, and okay. And for circle is drawing here, and circle is this. Okay, first, and any no relation, and use this, and again select this, and also this. Okay, and all circle is equal, select here and then equal. Okay, and this is a very nice, and this is a first is a circle is drawing here 50. Okay, and this circle is a this is a 320 millimeter, and this is center is a this. Okay, this circle is drawing a 50 millimeter is correct, and some relation is created here, this, and press a control button, and this is a okay, and at first select this, press a control button, and this is a horizontal, and this point to this is a vertical, and okay, and this point to this is a horizontal, and again select this point to this is a vertical. Okay, this is a perfect, and this point to okay, this point to this point to this distance is 320, and again select this point to this is a 320. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 45, and again select this point to this is a 45. Okay, this is a 45 millimeter, and again select this point to this is a 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and this is this 45 and again select this 45 is correct, and this is a perfect. All is fully defined, and then use a exit and extrude boss. Extrude boss is a apply here, and also all is this scissor and use a select contours, delete and all is use here, and one by one is okay. But this thickness is a 60 millimeter is correct, and direction is downward. Okay, this is perfect. And this sketch drawing a circle is this, and use extrude cut. Extrude cut is this circle is a use here, and contours is a delete here, and use a this and this to this. 4 circle is cut out, and this thickness is a 20 millimeter correct, and okay. And this is a perfect, and this face is also sketch normal. Okay, and a circle is also drawing here, and this center point, and use this center, drawing this center. Okay, and this center is a correct, and okay, all is a select here and click equal. Okay, and this is a 24 millimeter is correct. 24. Okay, and and extrude cut is this, and extrude cut is a up to surface, and surface is this, and okay. This is a perfect, and also this face sketch normal, and this is a perfect, and drawing this. Okay, and at first drawing a okay, and at first drawing a circle this, and use a center line. Center line is this this to this. Okay, and some other circle is drawing here, this to this, and connect to line. Line is this, middle point is this, and this is a tangent. Okay, and this line to this, press a control button, and this is a tangent. Okay, and mirror this, select here and mirror this. Okay, and again select a center line, connect to this to this, and again select a mirror. Mirror is select here this first, second, third, fourth, and this is a this. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and some point is discussed here. This distance is 620 millimeter, and this radius is 356. First this diameter is 96 and 56. Okay, 96 and 56. Okay, this is a 96. Okay, and this is a 56. Okay, and this is a use this center point to this distance is a 620. Okay, this is 620 is correct. Okay, and this radius is a 356. 356 is correct. Okay, and select here this drawing here, this to this. Okay, and some point, this point to this is a tangent. Okay, all point is to correct, but okay, all point is correct, and then use a fully defined and a sketch. Okay, this is a correct, and all is fully defined. Okay, okay, and use a this extrude boss base and select first, second and third, and okay, this is a fourth and fifth. Okay, and also this is a this, and this thickness is a also 60, direction is downward. Okay, and this also thickness is 60 and direction is downward. All is perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and this is a perfect, and nickel, and this is a correct. And also apply here a bronze, copper, brush is also very nice looking here, and some use of fillet is this. First is a chamfer is 4 mm and 45-degree angle, and this chamfer and this chamfer is, and use a this chamfer. First is this, and this is a 4 mm, and use a 45-degree angle is correct, and also this use a this 4 mm and 45-degree angle is this. Okay, this is a perfect. Nickel is also better, and also this is a perfect, and use a fillet is a this 10 mm, and also this is a 10 mm is correct, and fillet is used here. This is a okay, this is a constant size fillet, and use a full preview, and this is a 10 mm is correct, and at first select this 10 mm, and this is a correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect drawing here. And isometric view is also available this, and all point is drawing correct, okay. Okay guys, all point is discussed here, and I hope you will learn all point is deeply and clearly learn here. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed here a combination spanner, and combination spanner is a very useful and helpful very important this body, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today drafting is all point is discussed here one by one, and today drafting is available here in this sketch. And this combination spanner is a very useful, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay guys, this is a combination spanner, and this is a top view and this is a front view, and all drafting value is you can see here on the screen. And this all dimension in millimeter, and ellipse measurement, major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this combination spanner is designed here, and how to this body is designed, and this is the body is looking perfect, and all is correct. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, and how to this body is designed to discuss here. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first drawing a part and select some basic point. Okay, this is document property, and going to image quality, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, this geometry is, this drafting is used here. This body is designed, and at first drawing this length is 158.59 millimeter, and both this side is circle, and circle is this hexagon, and this side is a ellipse. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and drawing a center line connect to this. Okay, and mention this center line is a distance between 158.4 is correct. 158.59 means this is a 6. 158.6 is correct. Okay, and click ellipse. Ellipse is this, drawing this. Okay, and this side is drawing a circle. Okay, and this ellipse major axis is 60 millimeter and minor axis is 50 millimeter, 49.2 millimeter, and align a dimension. This major axis a distance is a 60 millimeter, and minor axis is a 50 millimeter is better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this circle is a drawing this circle 42 millimeter, and 30 millimeter is hexagon. 2 hexagon is drawing here, and this is a 42. This diameter is a 42. Okay, and drawing a 2 hexagon. First hexagon. Okay, click two hexagon. First is a click this and this is a vertical, and second hexagon is a some angle is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect drawing this. Okay, and okay, this is a horizontal. Okay, and align a dimension. This is a 30, and again this is a also 30. Okay, this is a perfect. And some portion is trim here. Extra portion means this is a trim this to this, and okay, this is a trim. Okay, this to this. Okay, this portion is trim here because this design is created here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this to this, this to this. Okay, 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 this is a perfect. All is a delete here. Okay, this is a fully defined because all is black color. And next is a some drawing a center line, because this help of a drawing a center line, and this length is a some increase here, and drawing a center line. This connect to this point to this. Okay, and again this point to this. Okay, this is a perfect. And some angle is a this angle is a this angle is 17 degree. Okay, this is a 17 degrees. Perfect. Okay, and this is a black color, mean also this is a fully defined. And some use a offset command, and offset command is a this okay, this distance is a this, and offset is a this 13 millimeter. And okay, and this curve is drawing here, and this curve is 16.5 millimeter, and this 13. Okay, and this direction is 13 millimeter. Okay, and select bidirectional and select chain. Click OK. This is a perfect, and click OK. And use this 3-point arc, connect to this point to this. Okay, this is a created a curve, and curve is a this align dimension is a 16.5 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter, and this is a 13. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. And use a some extra portion is trim here, and this to this, and this to this. Okay, and okay, and also this is a okay, this 22. Okay, default value is a 22 point. Okay, this is a correct a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect. But some this is a cutout is a 6. Okay, this is a 12 meter. Offset is both side. and use offset. Offset is a 12, and use a select chain bidirectional and click OK. Click OK. And some extra portion is also delete here, this two and this to this, and some is a delete here. Okay, and this portion is also delete here. Okay, and also this delete here, and this trim, and this trim, this to this trim is perfect. And also, and align dimension is this to this is a 12. Click OK. Both is a 12 millimeter, and this is a all is a fully defined because this is a black color and perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a both side. Okay, this is a correct, and click a mid plane and use a thickness is a 10 millimeter and this thickness 7 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is 10 millimeter and mid plane. Click OK, and also select this and extrude boss and click this, click a mid plane, and this is a 7 millimeter is perfect, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect, and material is apply here. This is a polished nickel. Okay, and okay, and next is a this is a use a 32 millimeter is fillet and both side, and this is a 24 millimeter is both side fillet is use here. 32 millimeter and both side this to this. Okay, and 24 again select a 24 millimeter both side to this to this. Okay, okay, and all is looking perfect, and again select a fillet 0.5 millimeter and click this to click this, and again select a this to this. Okay, this. Okay, all is looking perfect, and next is a this is a cutout. Cutout is a this 6 millimeter offset, and okay, this is not mentioned here. This cutout is 2 millimeters perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a select sketch. Okay, select and sketch and use a convert entities. Okay, and use offset. Offset is a 6 millimeter. Select chain and bidirectional and click OK. Okay, 6 millimeter is perfect. Click OK, and this 6 millimeter is cut out, and click a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a counters. Select here this sketch, and this thickness is a 2 millimeter is perfect. Click OK. Okay, this is a perfect, and this fillet is used here. This is a 2 millimeter, and all select this one by one is all is select here because this fillet is used. Then looking perfect. Okay, Okay, this is a delete. Okay, 1 by 1 is this. Okay, sum this. Okay, again fillet is 2 mm and select this. Okay, use a 2 mm, select this. Okay, not mention here, this is a this. Okay, and again select a this 2 line, means this is a this line is perfect. And okay, this line is a this to this. Okay, this 3 is a okay, 3 is better, and click OK. This is a very nice looking here. And again select a front plane, and front plane is this, and use a mirror, and mirror is select here this cutout and fillet, both is select here. And 1 by 1 is control press a control button, and at first select a cut extrude and then fillet. Click OK. This side is same, cutout is okay. This is a fully okay, this is a correct, and this is a fillet is also perfect. Okay, okay, and isometric view, and all point is a perfect, discuss here. And okay, all point is perfect and correct. Okay, and this combination spanner is complete, all process is learn here. Okay, okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this is a exhaust manifold design, and this is a 4 pipe and exhaust manifold design. And this body is design help of this 2D drafting is okay, and this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view. All view this also geometry is you can see here easily. And to discuss here 1 by 1 all point discuss here, and this body is final product is design here. Okay, and this body is a product, and how to this body is design easily and clearly. And this is a looking very nice looking here. And all okay, isometric view is also available here. And this is a all this is a use a cell command is this cut here. And this okay, this is a very nice looking here. And all point is correct. Okay, okay guys, this body is designed easily and clearly. And let's start here. This body is designed. Okay, at first click a part, and some setting is a very important. And this use a going to system option, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, Okay, and this use a at first this body is designed, and this is a center to center distance is 136 millimeter, and this inner diameter is a 72 millimeter diameter. This cutout and this big circle is 104 millimeter, and this circle is a 32 millimeter, and this cutout is 17 millimeter, and this is a angle is very important, 38-degree angle. Okay, at first select a plane is front plane, and use a some reference line is drawing here. This line is very important because this body is designed. Okay, and two reference line is drawing here. Okay, and this line and this point is a coincident. Okay, and this line, and again press a control button and select this point and use a midpoint. Okay, this is a very nice, and align this angle is 38-degree, and this is a very important. And and this is a draw a bigger circle, bigger circle, and to a small circle is also the end is drawing here. Okay, and connect to line is a tangent, and tangent is very important because this body is drawing. Okay, and again select a line and draw this tangent. Okay, this is a very connect to this. Okay, and align a dimension. This distance between center to center is 136 millimeter, and this bigger circle is 104 millimeter, and this is a 32 millimeter. Okay, and align dimension is a this center to this distance between a 104 millimeter, and this diameter is 32 millimeter, and this bigger circle is diameter is 104 millimeter. Okay, and okay, and this circle and this circle is a use a equal. Okay, but this point is a connect to tangent. Tangent is very important. Okay, this connect to this is a tangent, and again select this, and this is a tangent, and also this use a this is a tangent. Okay, okay, this point is a okay, and this use a 136 millimeter. Okay, this is a very nice. This distance is a 136 millimeter, and okay, all is perfect. And use a some trim command and use a power trim, and some extra portion is a delete here, and this is a delete here. Okay, and this also delete here, and also this is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is very nice, and click OK. Okay, and this extrude boss base is apply here, and okay, and this thickness is a 10 millimeter. Okay, this thickness is already selected here, 10 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, this is very nice, and this face is also sketch normal, and also draw a circle circle is this, and again a big circle, and draw a small circle is because this is a cutout. Okay, and at first click both circle is, press a control button, is this is both is equal, and this is a 72 millimeter and this is a 17 millimeter. Okay, and this geometry is also drawing here. This is a cutout is a, this is a 17 millimeter and this is a 72 millimeter. Okay, and extrude cut is a through all, and this is a use a okay, and next is a, this is a 1 because this is a 4. Use a linear pattern, and this distance center, this distance between two center is 120 millimeter. 120 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select this sketch normal, and draw a circle. Circle is a center line because this is a reference. Okay, this is a very use, and click a horizontal. Okay, and use a exit and use a pattern, and pattern is a use a linear pattern. Okay, select this. Okay, and this use a 4 pattern, and distance between is a 120 millimeter. Okay, and select a body, click this, and direction is reverse. Okay, this is a perfect, and click OK, and this line is hide because this is a looking perfect. Okay, and isometric view is also, this is a better. Okay, and next is a use a, this is a drawing here, and this is a perfect, and this distance is a, this center to this line is a 130 millimeter, and this point to this is a 106 millimeter. Okay, and this cutout is also 72 millimeter and this 17. Okay, and draw a, then use, okay, this is a very important point is this use a 171 millimeter is very important. This is a plane created here. Okay, at first use a top plane, and okay, a top plane is select and use a plane created here, and 171 millimeter, this is a flip side. Click OK, and this use a perfect, and this sketch normal, and draw a center line. Center line is very important, and use a this between two distance, this point to this, and again select a center line, and distance of this midpoint is select here, and draw a vertical line. Okay, okay, this line and this also. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, and next is a draw select a polygon. Polygon is a 3 millimeter, 3 side is 3, and use this drawing here. Okay, and this is use a horizontal, and all 3 is select here, and use a construction line. This is a better. And construction line, okay, and this line is extra, is delete here, okay, and this line is also construction, and this line is also construction, and this is a construction. And this is use a very important, and draw a circle. This circle is drawing here, and again draw this two circle, okay, and all two circle is drawing here, and this is a very important, and connect to this line is also tangent, connect to this, and also connect to this, and this line is a, okay, this line is delete here, and connect to this, okay, this line is a not connect to this line to this is a tangent, okay, and all line is this line is also connect to this line is also use a tangent, and this line is also tangent, okay, and all press a control button, and all line is selected, and click relation is equal, and also 3 line is big circle, okay, and select a 3 line is also equal, okay. And next is align a dimension, and dimension is very important. This distance is 130 millimeter, this cutout is a 72 millimeter, okay, 106 millimeter is this is a use a this to this, okay, and align a dimension, and this distance is a 106 millimeter, 130 millimeter is perfect, and this point to select this 106 millimeter is perfect, okay, and big circle is a 70, radius is 17, means this is a 34 millimeter and 72 millimeter and 16 diameter, and this use a 16 diameter, and this use a 34 diameter, and this circle is use a 72, okay, and this use a tangent, and also this use a tangent, okay, all is fully defined, because this is a black color means this is a fully defined, and all is correct, but some extra portion is delete here, and this delete is this, okay, this is a delete here, and also this is a delete here, and this line is also delete here, and all is perfect, click OK. And extrude boss command is use this thickness is this thickness 12 millimeter, and 12 millimeter is better, and exit. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and perfect and correct. And next is use a 3 line. Okay, all is perfect, and drawing this connect to pipe, and pipe is a distance, this length is 54 millimeter, and this is a 114 millimeter, and two distance is perfect, and one point is missing here. This is use a fillet command, and this pipe is a use a 98 millimeter, and this is a 56 millimeter, 68 millimeter is okay. And some sketch or drawing a 3D sketch, a line is drawing here. This point to select this. Okay, this is a perfect line, and also select a line. Line is this is a use this center connect to this, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. All is a perpendicular, all is this is use a vertical line, and also connect this line and connect to this okay. And some important point is also discussed here. Align a dimension. This dimension is a 104 millimeter, and this distance is a this is a 54 millimeter. Okay. And two important point is a fillet command is use a 98 millimeter. First is this, and second is a 68 millimeter is this to this, and 2 is a very important, and this is a extra added here because this is a missing point drafting. Okay, this is not available here, and 2 important point is okay. And exit, and again select this face sketch and drawing a this and use a convert entities and exit. Okay, and use a swept post base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this select a path is a this. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this pipe is a connect here. Okay, next is also same drawing a 3D sketch, and 3D sketch is a drawing here. Select a line is a this connect, and also this is a perfect. This is a use a perpendicular. This use a line is a vertical line, and also select a this, and also connect select a line. This line is also vertical, and this is use a this, and also this line and connect to this line to okay, this line to this. Okay, this line is also delete here, and connect to this point to this. Okay. Okay, and align a dimension. This this dimension is a 104 millimeter, and also this is use a 54 millimeter. Okay. Okay, but this use a inward, but use a this is use a this center line, and this center line is perfect. Okay, and some use a fillet is a 68 millimeter is this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, 98. Okay, not connect here because this is a use a not a okay. Okay, undo, and some line is a this is a use a okay. This line is a drag here is this vertical because this line is a okay. This is a connect to this, but this line is use a perpendicular, not drag here. Delete here. This line is also delete here, but this line is drag here this. and align a this diameter is a 104 millimeter. Okay, and also and fillet is used. Okay, but this diameter, this use a 54 millimeter. Okay, and fillet is used a 98 millimeter is this. Okay, and 68 millimeter is this. The fillet could not be added because the specified radius, okay, radius is more. Okay, 36. Okay, and this use a some, this line is a delete here, and okay, this line is also delete here, and this line is also, and connect to this two. This line is not delete here, and use this, and this center is a okay. Okay, this is use this. Okay, and again select this to this, connect to this, but some point is a some extra portion is delete here, and align a dimension. This dimension is a 54, and this dimension is a 104, but this is a bigger, and 106 is perfect. Okay, this also delete. Okay, this is delete here. And undo, and this is a delete here, and okay, this is a use 106 millimeter and 54. Okay, and some drag a center line, connect to this, and also this use a okay, this is okay, and fillet is use a 9, this is use a 68 millimeter, and use this, and 98 millimeter is this. Okay, but some okay, this is perfect, and correct, and also exit, and also use this sketch and drawing this, and convert entities and exit. This profile is created here. Okay, and swept boss base, and this profile is automatic select here, and this path is this, and okay, this is perfect, and two line is created here easily. And next is use again select a 3D line, and this is a copy, is both is this, and select a line and draw a this, okay, draw a this circle is this center, and distance is a, okay, press a tab, and this line is a connect to this and use a this, okay, because, and this line is a both is a use a construction line, and this is a very important, and exit and create a plane is a created here, and select this line, and this line is a, okay, this is a perfect and okay. And some use a mirror is this, select here, and use a first, second, both is a, and click okay. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And also this is a hide, because this board is looking perfect. And also cell command is a thickness is 1 millimeter, and also select all and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect. But combine, use a insert and feature. I'm going to combine, and also use this, and select this to all is added here, and click OK. All body can OK added here, and click OK. Unable to create, okay, this is not perfect. And use a nickel is perfect. Okay, this material is apply here, and one point is also available here. This is all dimension in millimeter, and fillet is 1 and chamfer is 2 millimeter, and all is a chamfer is apply here, 2 millimeter 45 degree angle, and all side this is a use a chamfer. Okay, and also use this, and also use this 1 by 1, because this is not use a multiple. Click OK, and use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a delete here, and use this. Okay, and okay, this use this edge. Okay, and fillet is also 1 millimeter is use this 1 millimeter, and select this to this, both face is select here, and okay. Okay, and also select this face and this face, both face is select here, click OK. And also this face is select here, and use this face, click OK. And this face and this face is okay, and last is a remaining, click this face. Okay, this is a perfect, and this face and also this face is a okay. Okay, all is perfect looking here. And okay, and guys, all point is discussed here perfect, And guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a foundation bolt design, and this bolt is very useful and helpful. This body is designed and all is a 2D drafting is also available here. And okay, and 2D drafting is this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and all view is one by one is learn here. And how to this body is designed, and this is a use a all dimension is millimeter, and this thread details is also available here. This length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is M27, and offset is 6 millimeter is outside. Okay, all point is discussed here one by one. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a body is design. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this body is very useful and helpful. Okay, this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this. Okay, today discuss here this body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed. At first select a part, and some setting is very important, plain white, and some use a going to document property, and this is a image quality, and this is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and at first select this distance is this center point, and this distance is 286 millimeter, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this circle diameter is radius is 30 millimeter, and this radius is this diameter is 21 millimeter, and okay, this is a fillet is used 22 millimeter, and this thickness is 36 millimeter. Okay, and this use a chamfer 2.5 millimeter 45 degree angle, and use a thread. This thickness is a 21 millimeter, and this diameter and this is a same. Okay, at first select a plane, front plane, and a line is a drawing here. Okay, and this line connect to this. Okay, and a line is a connect to this line is this, and also a line is a drawing here this. Okay, and center line is a draw here. Okay, this is a center line is this, and click a circle is okay. And this two line is a tangent, and also this two line is a tangent. Okay, this to this. Okay, this point and this line is a tangent. Okay, this is a perfect coincident. Okay, and mention. Okay, this dimension, this radius is a 30 millimeter, and this length is okay, this radius is 30 millimeter. Assign dimension is this radius is a 30 millimeter, Okay, and some fillet is used here. Some fillet is used, this sketch fillet, and click this is a 22 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and okay, and some use a trim is this portion is delete here. Okay, and this portion is also this. Okay, delete here. Okay, and assign a this distance is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this distance is 76 millimeter, and this is a 286 millimeter. This is a 36 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 76 millimeter. Okay, and this total distance is a 286 millimeter. Okay, and this is a perfect. 286 millimeter is total distance, and this is 76 millimeter, and all is perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, this radius is a diameter is okay, this is a perfect, because this radius is 30 millimeter, is diameter is 60 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and this distance is perfect and correct, and this is a tangent is okay, and this is a delete here, and select this point, and this line is a okay, this line and this line is a tangent. Okay, 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 all is perfect. Okay, and this is a 286 millimeter, and this is a 36. Okay, all is perfect, and then exit. Okay, and again going to create a plane is this to this. Okay, because drawing a circle, sketch normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, okay, this circle is drawing here, and this diameter is a 21. Okay, okay, and exit, and use a swept base, and automatic this profile is selected here, and path is a select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Click OK, and this body is a hide. Okay, this is a perfect, and some chamfer is used here, and chamfer is a this 2.5 millimeter and 45 degree angle, and this chamfer is used, and both side 2.5. this, click this, and click this, and click OK. This chamfer is used, and material is applied here, and this is a polished nickel is used. Okay, and this body is designed. Okay, And next is a use a thread. Thread is a this thread value is given here. 126 millimeter is length, pitch is 3 millimeter, and size is 27, offset is 6 millimeter. Okay, and active a thread and use a this, click a this, and length is 126 millimeter. Okay, and metric die is perfect, and use a M27 and 3. Okay, M27 and 3 is a, okay, this is a perfect, M27 and 3 is correct, and this offset is a 6 millimeter is outside, 6 millimeter is outward. Okay, this is better. And 126 millimeter, this length is 126 millimeter, pitch is 3, and okay, all is looking perfect and correct, and okay, this is a cut thread, and use a right-handed thread. Click OK and apply this thread. Some little time is spent here because this thread value is, this thread active, all process is active. Okay, some little time is spent here. Okay, this is a perfect. This thread is created here, and some color is changed here, some dark black. Okay, some little dark black. Okay, this body is looking perfect, and this thread is a very nice looking here, and this body is also created here. Okay, okay guys, all process is discussed here. Guys, I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.